Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can make a screenshot on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. First of all, thank you to my swoop who are providing us with this phone today. To make a screenshot, you have several options, and the first and probably most common one is to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time to make a screenshot. The second option you have is to slide 3 fingers down the screen to make a screenshot. And then we can also go to our drop down menu and say screenshot. Obviously, I'll make a screenshot. And if we press 3 fingers on the screen, we can make a partial screenshot, which is really cool. We can also select a circle or, well, whatever this is. It doesn't really do anything. All right, so then we can say save, and then we also have a screenshot. When we go to our gallery, we have our screenshots here, and if we click on this little symbol here, we can edit, and then we can crop it, put filters on it, adjust it, and do all that other stuff with it. So that's how you can make a screenshot on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.